Hey guys, Eric Roberts, Apex Piano. Today I'm talking about how to know if there's lost motion in your piano. Now I'm going to show you in a minute a spin it piano with lost motion. And this is, you can see there's a little tweak just on the little ding, 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 ding. When you push the key down, you can see the little back checker just move ding, ding, ding. But the biggest thing is this piano had a lot of lost motion, so it basically had bobbling hammers. And that's when you know your piano really needs regulation. And this piano also has old rubber grommets that cannot be turned, so they have to be replaced. But check this out, watch this. This is bobbling hammers, extreme lost motion. Okay, so you can see that you hit the note and it's like, and then if you push on the key, just barely push on the key, you can see the little back check move and the hammer's not moving. That is a lot of lost motion. This is in a lot of pianos. And like I said, it's not hard to fix. It will fix a lot of things. So if I were just to take up the lost motion in this little action, then the piano, the let off would probably be fine. Everything would probably start playing just fine. If you want to learn how to do that, go to apexpiano.com. I will show you how to do that. This is sort of what I teach in my mentorship, and this is about repairing and fixing and doing stuff. You can even do this yourself, really, as a piano owner if you understand it. You can learn that in the Patreon at apexpiano.com. Check it out.